Greetings from Grisslinge, Havsbad, and it is almost 8 p.m. and I just did my daily swim in the sea, 3 times 20 minutes, but I also wanted to share one vlog with you. Even though I have already did beach vlogs today, early morning I went to Gamla Stan and visited the newly opened central beach. Then I also went to CapCut, a nudist beach, and I did 2 episodes there as well. And after that I was a bit busy during the midday, and now I did manage to find time to go in for a swim here in Grisslinge. The water is super warm, but I didn't measure the temperature yet. I think it's around 25 degrees Celsius, and it's quite nice sandy beach indeed, located in Värmdö. There are a few jetties as well as a jumping platform that I'm going to head to right now. And there is even private beach here, it seems, for some members, but nobody will check you if you're a member or not. Yes, I was right, 25 degrees Celsius. It is so warm, and I came here 2 hours ago and the beach was quite more full than it is right now. But 25 degrees Celsius, it's quite amazing indeed. So let's now head to the jumping platform and enjoy. Oh, there's fish over here. Amazing. Right, let's swim then to the jumping platform. So yes, 25 degrees Celsius in the sea, it's super amazing. And 28th of July, and I have been on the sea for 31 days in a row. Current air temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. And there has been a lot of sun earlier today, but after midday it was mostly cloudy. And let's head now to the jumping platform to have one jump from the highest height. I really started to be keen on swimming in the sea. I have been doing that now for 10 days in a row, 3 times 20 minutes. Before that I was doing some swimming, but I wasn't so constant in it. Okay, we are at the jumping platform at the Grisslinge Havsbad in Värmdö, on this beach day 73 this year in Sweden only for me. Let's then jump from the highest platform here at Grisslinge Havsbad. Yes, indeed. Ready, set, and go! It was cool. not gonna lie, it was cool. What an amazing way to end a beautiful day with beach adventures. To jump from this jumping platform at Grisslinge Havsbad, and also to swim. So it has been super amazing day, and the last day of my 30-day journey with the public transport in Stockholm. I might get a new card for 30 more days, but let's see. If I'm gonna fix my bike, then I don't need it, otherwise I will need it. So that is a wrap for this beach adventure from Värmdö, Grisslinge Havsbad. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris.